In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WordPress for free. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to get started with one of the most popular content management systems available today. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or a more complex website, downloading WordPress is your first step on that journey. Let's dive in. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.org. This is the official site where you can find the latest stable releases of WordPress, as well as valuable resources for those embarking on a web development project. Once you open your web browser, simply type wordpress.org into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the homepage, which features a plethora of information and links that can sometimes seem overwhelming. However, don't worry. Finding what we need is quick and easy. Now that you're on the WordPress homepage, your next step is to locate the download section. This is usually highlighted on the front page due to its significance. Look for a prominent button that says something like Download WordPress 6.8.1. At the time of recording, version 6.8.1 is the latest, but this could vary if there have been updates released since. Click on this download button to proceed. Clicking the button initiates the download of a zip file containing the WordPress installation files. The download should begin automatically, and you might see a small notification indicating the progress or completion of the download, typically in a pop-up window or directly within your browser. If you encounter any issues with downloading, such as a slow internet connection, ensure your browser settings permit downloads and try again. While downloading, it's worth noting a few tips for using WordPress effectively once installed. Having a basic understanding of PHP and MySQL will be beneficial, as WordPress relies on these technologies. Additionally, consider familiarizing yourself with the vast array of free and paid themes and plugins available. These tools can significantly enhance the functionality and visual appeal of your site. Once complete, you'll find the zip file in your browser's default download location, which might be your Downloads folder. You can now unzip the file to access the installation package. You'll then need to upload these files to your web server to initiate the installation process, but we'll cover that in another video. That's the whole process. You've successfully downloaded WordPress for free, and you're one step closer to getting your new website online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or run into issues during installation, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy web building!